A couple from the Paris region, planning their retirement in the south of France, commissioned the house in the trees to serve both as their primary residence and as a space for seasonal rental. Located in a neighborhood developed around a golf course on the Atlantic coastal dune, the house's construction preserved as many existing trees as possible to create a natural wooded environment. Its layout follows an almost organic approach, with a succession of volumes and single-pitch roofs. Wood plays a central role in this house. The structure is predominantly built with wooden walls and a traditional wooden frame, with only the foundations and ground floor made of concrete. The entire exterior is clad in dark fir, blending with the pine bark and taking on different shades of black in the tree's shadows. Inside, the spaces offer views of the surrounding nature, with windows positioned to capture the treetops and sky. Integration between indoor and outdoor spaces is a priority, with landscaping designed to ensure privacy from neighboring properties while maintaining the feeling of being immersed in nature. One of the volumes is completely independent. It functions as a separate studio intended for seasonal rental or to accommodate family members. Designed with privacy in mind, it features a vertical layout and a micro-garden surrounding it. The double-height space connects the ground floor living area with the upstairs bedroom. The bedroom can be opened or closed using large wooden panels that pivot. Local pine panels cover the walls and ceiling, while oak is used on certain walls to highlight the different volumes. Due to the minimalist style of the residents, who prefer minimal furniture and full integration, all built-in furniture was custom designed and made of pine and oak, finished with oil. A suspended wooden and metal staircase connects the two levels, with metal rods extending to form the bedroom's railing. The dune's topography was utilized to set the house slightly back from the street, except for the garage, creating a closed front facade toward the street and an open view to the garden.